What's going on, guys? Today we're going to talk about backpacks or rucks, assault packs, bug out bags. A bug out bag is something that you use when the shit hits the fan and you gotta go. You drop everything, you grab that bag and you go. So I'm gonna show you guys mine, the things I have in it, and a little explanation. I mean, pretty much the stuff here, you can kind of figure it out. We're not stupid people. So here's my assault bag right here, slash bug out bag. See it? So I'm gonna do exterior first and then work interior. It took everything out, so it's easier. So first things first is a camelback. It's easier that way. You can also strap it to your back if you don't necessarily need this, but it's just easier for me to have this on top. So if you guys look at it, this is how my camelback will be with everything on top of it. Your water is always on the outside. Never put it on the inside. I recommend the sides, but I can't do it on the sides because I have a canteen and then I also have a cleaning kit. So that's why I prefer it on the back. So here's my cleaning kit right here, guys. This exterior, it's just easier to grab when you take it off. A whistle, sometimes you have to alert people. You know, you may get hurt, something may happen. This is actually a whistle I bought on Schofield. So shout out to Hawaii. These are Ranger beads right here. Ranger beads, it helps you with your pace count. So it tells you, hey, where's everything out, things like that. I actually have to put this right. I actually just do it on here just for this video. This is part of the camelback, your mouthpiece. I have a Zippo lighter up here, which is right there. I'm gonna show you guys that in a minute, with extra flints. So, and I also have an extra wick too. Canteen with canteen cup. Show you guys that real quick. Canteen, it is empty. You don't want to store water, guys, unless you have to necessarily store water. So, like I said, it ain't gonna take you that long to fill up a canteen. So, here's the canteen with the canteen cup. So, there it is. And then I also have a headlamp too. It's exterior. I usually carry 2 headlamps with me at any given time. One may break, whatever it is, so that's why I carry 2. So, and then last but not least, I carry 550 cord. You can do a lot with 550 cord, guys, a lot. So I believe, if I'm not mistaken, I got this from Home Depot, if I'm not mistaken. So next that I have, I'm just grabbing stuff as I go, guys. So next is a hand crank radio. Like I said, we're in the digital age, but sometimes these phones go down because of the towers, and all you may have is radio waves. So I highly recommend this one. This is a Scorpion one. My mom actually bought this for me, I think for a camping trip. But hand crank, it's nice. It is battery too. I actually have to get other batteries for it too. And it's also solar too. So, but yeah. Next is a watch, analog old school watch. This is the watch, I wouldn't say the watch, but this is the brand of watch that I used when I was active duty. You can't have Apple Watch, things like that. And 2, where my Apple Watch is. But and 2, if technology goes down, this is gonna be your best bet too. So that's why I say just keep an old school watch. And this was like, I believe, 16 bucks on Amazon, if I'm not mistaken. They went up in price too. So next is zip ties. You can do a lot with zip ties. Detain people, fix things. That's why I have them. That's the main reason behind it. These are zip ties. These are flex cuffs. We all know the purpose of flex cuffs. I don't need to go into it. It is best to not shoot people when you want information. Let me just say that. So keep that in mind too. And it also has the spacers where you can actually tie multiple people if you need to. So next is the fire kit right here. I have the top for my butane stove. I have Carmax. You can take Carmax and put it on these. These are the repurposed gauze I was telling you guys about. I also have stormproof matches too. So, and I also have rinky-dink matches, if anything. But yeah. Next is thermocell refills. A thermocell is a mosquito repellent. It's a little device, maybe about that big. I don't know where mine's at. I may have to go buy another one. But yeah, I just have refills. They go about a 15-foot radius around you, protect you from mosquitoes, moths, things like that. So I like it. I've had it for years and it works. So next is batteries. Because I have 2 headlamps, I just carry extra batteries, and also my wife too. Her weapon actually, her optic takes the AAAs, so that's why I have it. This is just a backup stove if my butane goes out or anything like that. Just a backup stove. Next is emergency disposable toothbrushes, spoon, and coffee. Just because you're out there being high speed or doing whatever you got to do, bugging out time, whatever it is, hygiene is very important, and so is your health, guys. Health is big, big, big. So that's why I carry, emergency with me, and I also, gotta brush your teeth. So, and these coffees, like I said, repurpose things, guys. So this coffee I actually got from the hotels. So pretty much all the hotels we go to, you pay for it, it's free. So whatever I get, I just hand it off. Hey man, here, you need this, you need that, so it's free, you pay for it. So next is Kim Lights. If you guys don't have the Ranger beads I showed you guys earlier, Kim Lights is just an alternative to Ranger beads. You can crack one, throw one down, and yeah, you guys already seen Kim Lights from my last video with the chest rigs. But there's a lot of purposes you can do it. These are actually green ones. They have IR ones. I don't rock night vision. I don't do it. I don't see a purpose to do it. Like I said, I don't have a PEC 15 or a laser on my weapon, so there's no point of me having NVGs. I don't see a point of it. So, I mean, if you want to be cool, high speed, by all means, but that's just a waste of money. You're gonna pay about between $700 to $1,800 for an IR laser. So, not for me. Next is MREs. Guys, 72 hours is normally where you want to be at, so to speak. And MREs, you can eat one MRE per day and be fine and good to go. You don't need to eat all these in one sitting. These are actually meant to be eaten as 3 meals each. So yeah, these are just my favorite two. My other ones over there. So next, I have ammo. So this ammo is only the backup to the backup. So right here, you guys can see, I have 9mm right here. So, because that's my everyday carry. So, I have that. And then, I carry one 5.56 30-round magazine. Like I said, this is just the backup to the backup. So, the vest, the belt, pockets too. So, you can put magazines in pockets too. So, next I have is 22 LR ammo. I have a conversion kit, which I'm going to show you guys in another video. A conversion kit, what it is that you can swap your 5.56 bolt out for a 22 bolt, and you can shoot 22 out of it. So I highly recommend it if you're just getting into guns, you don't want to spend a shit ton of ammo, money on ammo. So I highly recommend these. I believe these are 36 grain if I'm not mistaken. So, next, we're going to get into clothes. So I rock a smock. This is a smock actually my pops gave me, USMC all day. So yeah, use it as a face covering. It's super hot. You can just drench this thing, put it all over you. Pretty nice. You can use it as a mat too, to sit on. So but yeah. Next is clothes. So I'm gonna bring this one into a boonie cap and a shirt. I actually am waiting on my 511 pants to come in because I already have the ones I used when I was active duty. So this is a 511 tactical shirt, and this is just a boonie cap. I highly recommend, guys, depending on where you're gonna go, where you're bugging out, you may want to dress for success, as I call it. So make sure, if we're in South Florida, or should I say I'm in South Florida, so I'm not gonna need a fur coat. But if I go up to, let's say, South Carolina, North Carolina, I'm gonna need something a little bit thicker, depending on what I'm doing, especially if I'm gonna be outside, if I'm not occupying, someone's house, things like that. So next is wipes. You don't want swamp ass. Like I said, you use it for makeup, whatever you want to use it for, wiping off blood, whatever it is. But wipes are very crucial. So yeah. Here's the butane I was talking to you guys about earlier with the stove. So this is just an extra one I have. I have multiple ones. We're gonna get into a video actually on the things you need to stock up on. So look out for that one coming soon. This is just an emergency blanket, space blanket. So it gets real cold out there. You pop this out, rip it off, and use it. Here's the Zippo right here. There's no fuel in here. I've been using it a lot to burn stuff like the 550 cord you've seen. So, but I highly recommend a Zippo. You can change out the flint, you can change out the wicks, and this thing will last you a lifetime. I highly recommend. This is one actually my pops he gave to me. So very sentimental. I carry wipes too. If I don't feel like bringing out the big one you guys seen from Walmart, so I just use these ones. These ones are actually the sanitizing wipes from United. So like I said, repurpose, man, repurpose things, guys. And then the last and most important thing I want to talk to you guys about, we did say phones may go down, but you can also use this as a camping bag too, guys. Don't forget, you guys are out there roughing it, want to be high speed, This portable charger has a panel on it, solar panel on it. So I highly recommend you guys get a solar panel. The sun is for free. You don't need to plug anything in. So I highly recommend it. I believe I bought this off of Amazon a while back before the ban happened. But yeah, I like it. It has not failed me yet. I think that's pretty much it, guys. If you guys got any questions, let me know. And yeah, you guys be blessed, stay vigilant, stay out of trouble. Also, since TikTok is getting banned, you guys can go ahead and go on my YouTube. The same videos I post on TikTok are the same exact ones I post on YouTube. So on the 5th, if it goes down, you guys can just move over to it. The link is in my bio. So there you go.